Hey guys, I'm showing you this 2-pack rechargeable headlamp. It's a 1200 lumens motion sensor headlamp with a red light. So 8 mode super bright LED headlight with a waterproof head flashlights. So you can see this is the manual that comes with it. These are the two sets with a two charging cable, USB-C charging. You can charge it from here, just put in the USB-C and one in the USB. So you can see the buttons here, like the different light modes. There are total 8 modes. And if you put this is also a motion sensor in the, so you can see the motion sensor in the side. So this is a very comfortable elastic band that you can put on your head. You can also tilt it like this, so any size. So once you put it, see, like on the head, it's very comfortable, and you can use all these different lights